You've probably seen these AI website builders: Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, more recently Claude Design. You type a prompt and it spits out a website. But the problem? They all look the same. Same layouts, same sections, same generic feel. People are calling it AI slop. But there's a better way. You can have a professionally designed website, still customized with AI, and live in under an hour without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prompt a website that actually looks good and converts your audience. If you're new here, my name's Ramesh, and after 6 years of designing websites and mobile apps for multiple companies across various industries, for the past year, I've been building and selling framework website templates. Here's the thing. These AI tools are impressive technology. I'm not going to pretend they're not. But the output, it's cookie cutter. You get the same hero section, the same 3-column feature grid, the same generic stock photo placeholder every single time. I've tested most of them, especially with Claude, and don't get me wrong, I'm amazed at the speed of the technology building and launching a website, but they look and feel generic with no personality, and more importantly, no story-driven structure that's uniquely designed to convert your target audience to your specific business. I'm almost fully convinced that they're all using the same free layouts and just shuffling them around. And if you're a personal trainer, a photographer, a cafe owner, someone trying to stand out online, the last thing you want is a website that looks like it was built by the same robot that built your competitors. Your website is the first impression. It's the thing people see before they decide to trust you. So it needs to look like you actually care. The better solution that I have vouched my entire career and business on is either hiring a pro designer, but that can cost you a few $1,000s and take weeks or even months to get something live. Or you can use a website template that's created by the same expert designers. You don't need to know how to code or design. You don't need to wait weeks or even days, and you surely don't need a large budget. You can launch within a few hours a professionally designed website that's unique to your business and cost you a tiny fraction compared to hiring a designer. Firstly, as mentioned, a good website template is designed for a specific type of business. It's not a generic page that tries to work for everyone. A template built for a short-form content agency looks and feels completely different from one built for a personal trainer. The layout, the sections, the flow, it's all intentional. And because of that, your site doesn't look generic. When someone lands on it, they actually stop. They look around, they explore. A well-designed site earns that attention. An AI-generated one just blends in. Then there's the backend. A solid template comes with things like a CMS already built in, blog pages, team members, career listings, and so on, all ready to go. With an AI builder, you'll have to set all of that up separately using different tools, and the cost can add fast. Want an SEO-optimized blog? That's another tool and another subscription. Want a portfolio that pulls in from a database? Another one. With a template, it's already there in one platform. Now, some of you might be thinking, if I buy a template and someone else buys the same one, won't our sites look the same? They don't have to. Let me show you. This is my template logo folio. I designed it for branding agencies. Clean, minimal, portfolio focused. But check this site out. A tattoo artist based in UK bought this same template and turned it into their online store. Completely different niche, completely different feel. And here's another one. Joel is an e-commerce growth consultant and has used the exact same template. It almost looked like a completely different design entirely. Both businesses are getting incredible results from their sites. Same starting point, totally different outcomes. That's what a strong template gives you. Now, Framer is really easy to make these kind of edits on. Those of you who've been following me for a while will know Matt, one of my customers who's a personal trainer with very basic computer skills. He picked up a template and we met up in a cafe, and with practically no help from myself, he set up a live site within 3 hours. No design background, no coding. I was just there for research purposes, just to see live how he made the changes so I can learn and improve for future templates. I barely helped him. He did it all on his own. But if I wasn't there, my step-by-step video tutorials, including my templates, would have easily guided him to make changes and launch his site. But if that still feels too much, or you just want to launch quicker, you can use AI to make the edits for you. Tools like Claude can directly edit your Framer template, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. So here's exactly how this works in practice. Step 1, pick a website template that's already been designed by a real designer. Proper layout, proper typography, proper spacing. All the design decisions that make a site look polished have already been made for you. Step 2, use AI to customize it. Change the copy, swap the images, tweak the sections. You're starting from a strong foundation, not a blank prompt. Think of it like this. AI website builders give you a house made of cardboard. It's quick, it stands up, but it all looks the same and it won't impress anyone. A template gives you a full house built by an architect. You just move in and make it yours. I use Framer for my templates. It's a visual website builder so you can see everything you're changing in real time. No code editor, no terminal, just drag, click, type. And the best part, you can combine this with Claude Code, an AI tool by Anthropic, and it can actually edit your Framer template for you. You tell it what to change in plain English and it does it. I've done a full video on my AI workflow where I go through this setup in detail. I'll leave a link in the description, but here's a quick version. You need two things, Claude Code and a Framer MCP plugin. First, open your Framer project. Go to plugins and open the MCP plugin. You'll be asked to sign in for the first and only time. Once you do, it will give you a unique URL. Copy that. Now to add the URL depends on which plan you're on. If you're on Max, then open Claude, head to settings and add custom connector. Name it Framer and paste in the URL you got from the plugin. And that's it, you're all set up. Now if you're on the Pro plan, open the settings on the desktop app. Click on developer and press edit config, which will open a file on your machine. In that file, you need to add in a new MCP server and paste the URL you copied from the plugin as the connection. And that's it, you're all set. But one thing to keep in mind is to keep the MCP plugin open in Framer while you're working. If you close it, the connection drops. If this sounds technical, I promise you it's not. It takes 2 minutes to set up and you only have to do it once. Let me show you what this actually looks like. I'm starting with one of my Framer templates. The hero section has copies specific for this business's target customer and supporting image. It looks great as a template, but it's not mine yet. So I've opened Claude and I've already got the prompt, so I'll just paste it in. So let's build a website together. I've got a Framer template and I want to make edits to it. I've opened the MCP plugin. Can you change the heading on the hero section to building Framer templates? And then I just have to press enter and let it do its magic. So it hasn't even been a minute yet, but Claude has already edited the actual Framer project and the heading has changed. Let's try the hero image now. Cool, so I already have the prompt, so I'm just gonna paste it in. Great, let's change the image in the hero. And here is the path name. So to get this, all you need to do is wherever the image is on your computer, you just press Option, Command C on a MacBook, and then you just paste that into here. Let's press enter. And there you have it. The hero is done. And already the template is feeling like it's my own portfolio. This is quite wild how Claude can do this directly onto Framer. So you don't have to do anything. You can make the changes and honestly just go for a walk. And I can go further, change colors, adjust spacing, swap out sections, but even with just the copy changes, the site already feels like mine, not like something a robot generated from scratch. And you're not locked in. If Claude does something you don't like, undo it in Framer or tweak it manually. Full control at every point. I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds great, but what if I can't figure out Framer? Honestly, Framer is one of the easiest website builders I've used. I've built sites on Squarespace, WordPress, and Webflow. Framer is the most intuitive out of them all. But even if you hit a wall, there's the Framer Academy. It's free, it's official, and it walks you through everything from the basics to advanced features. On top of that, hundreds of YouTube tutorials. And if you pick up one of my templates from my store, browser.supply, each one comes with guided setup tutorials. I'll walk you through making edits, connecting your domain, and publishing your site live. I'll leave a link to my template store in the description below. So between Claude doing the heavy lifting, Framer being visual and simple, and all the resources out there, you really can't get stuck for long. You don't need to be technical, and you definitely don't need to know how to code. You just need a good starting point and an hour of your day. Follow me on X where I'm sharing tips on building websites with templates and AI, plus the behind the scenes of my template business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.